Hello, today we're discussing what to look for when selecting your plants for your outside garden. Okay, first thing you want to do, what are we shopping for? Do your research. What type of plants do you want to plant? What type of vegetables do you want to grow in your garden? How do you want the front yard to look? Talk to your local nurseries, buy locally. The stuff that you buy locally is going to grow best in your local garden. If you order a bunch of stuff from the internet, there's no guarantee that that stuff's going to grow here and grow well. Ask the guy at the garden store, what problems he faces. What type of bugs and fungus are most common for your area. He's gonna have all the answers for you on what they have to do to keep their business running. And get more than one opinion. Okay, next thing, what to look out for. Bugs, that's the big thing. Look under the leaves of your plants that you choose. Look at the tops of the leaves, look at the soil, run your fingers over it. Make sure there's nothing flying out of there. Take a look for mold, mildew, and disease. If it's a happy looking plant, that's one worth buying. If it's the last one that looks sickly, get it next year. Okay, if it doesn't look right, be picky. Don't buy the ones there just because they're the ones that are available. Make sure that the plants that you're buying are really organic. Check that label, make sure you read what is there. All the directions and descriptions are on the label on the plant. Lastly, budget. Make sure that you have a budget and that you stick to it. Check multiple nurseries or multiple places to get your plant stock. You might find that Lowe's has the ones you're looking for, but the local nursery might have it cheaper and they might have larger stock that's healthier. But definitely check around your local area for your stock and you'll be happy you did. One last thing, if you can't find any good plants in your area, start early and grow your own. That's the next one of these talks coming soon.